Hello, financial freedom fam. Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, we're diving deep into the mindset of the rich. 7 things that keep poor people poor. Let's break free from the habits that hinder success and unlock the mindset that leads to prosperity. Welcome to another guide on mastering your finances, with insights from Warren Buffett, the legendary investor. We'll uncover 7 key areas where people often mishandle their money, according to Buffett. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to rewrite your financial story.
1. Gambling drama. While a bit of fun is okay, excessive gambling can be a financial pitfall. Buffett advises against relying on luck for financial success. Remember, success comes to those who don't gamble on it. 2. Homeownership pitfalls. Surprisingly, Buffett suggests that the wealthy often rent rather than buy a house initially. Avoiding heavy debt and building assets first is key. Buying a home can be risky, especially if it jeopardizes your financial stability. 3. Gym memberships with purpose. Commitment is crucial when investing in a gym membership. Statistics show that many sign up but stop going after a few months. Consider low-cost or free fitness options like outdoor activities until you're ready for a regular exercise routine. 4. Luxury brands and rational choices. Affording luxury doesn't mean splurging mindlessly. Buffett emphasizes that buying based on brand names alone can be a financial trap. Analyze if the brand adds real value or if more affordable options provide the same quality. But before we dive in deeper, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay one step closer to your path of success. Now, let's continue our journey. 5. Smart car choices. Buying a new car can be a financial hit as it depreciates rapidly. Consider a nearly new used car for that new car feel without the immediate depreciation. Don't borrow money for an asset that loses value quickly. 6. Balancing entertainment. Buffett notes that middle and lower-class households often spend excessive time on TV and video games. Wealthier individuals invest time in more constructive activities. Consider balancing leisure time with activities that contribute to personal growth and wealth. 7. Vacations without regrets. While experiences are important, plan your vacations wisely. Don't let emotions lead to financial nightmares. Avoid going into debt for a trip. Instead, plan and save for a memorable experience without the long-term regrets. Warren Buffett's wisdom highlights common financial pitfalls. Avoid excessive risks, make rational choices, and plan for long-term success. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on wealth creation and investments. Until next time, thank you for watching.